note, let's kickstart the show with the global handover. And Shreyansi, there is absolutely no stopping for Dow and S&P and Nasdaq, is there?
Absolutely, it doesn't look like there is, Snehi. So, well, let's take a look at what the market did then. When you take a look at S&P 500 futures and Nasdaq 100 futures, you're looking at a slight dip coming in on both counts. When you take a look at Dow Jones futures, then you're also looking at a little bit of a decline there as well. Now, during the regular trading session, when you take a look at what happened with S&P 500, that closed up about 0.2% higher. When you take a look at Nasdaq as well, that also closed up 0.5% higher. And let's also take a look at Dow Jones, because that one also was a shade higher in trade in the regular trading day yesterday. Now, let's also take a look at bank stocks, because they were in focus after the Federal Reserve said on Wednesday that the biggest US firms are able to withstand a severe recession scenario. Goldman Sachs shares slid 1.7%. On the flip side, you did also have JP Morgan Chase shares that rose slightly. So that is as far as the banking stocks go. And US firms are also able to withstand a severe recession scenario, as the commentary that came in that led to that move coming in yesterday. Now, stocks are in a holding pattern as Wall Street awaits the latest inflation data on Friday with the release of May's personal consumption expenditures price index, and investors also hope that the report is going to be showing easing pricing pressures that could cement the likelihood that the Fed will lower interest rates this year. So that is something that the market was really looking at, even with the sluggish trading activity, mega cap tech names. We did see them gaining. We'll tell you a little more about that later as well. And in terms of corporate earnings, then you do have Nike as well as Walgreens Boots Alliance reporting their numbers today. And on the economic front, traders will also be watching out for the latest reading of the weekly jobless claims data coming in, as well as durable goods order and pending home sales. We'll be telling you a little more about the cues that you should watch out for later as well. Now, let's also take a look at the price action in the European markets, because European stocks also fell on Wednesday, extending negative sentiment seen in the previous session. So when you take a look at the Pan-European Stock 600 index, you're looking at declines of about 0.5% coming in there as well. And that is after it rose earlier in the session. When you look at DAX as well as PCE, you're looking at declines coming in there as well, Snehi.
Alright, so
if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.